In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a teen who is encouraging his peers to stay consistent and do good after making a holistic change in his behavior and attitude. Here's Ken Morgan.
Praises for a student whose 360 turnaround in behavior has given a few members of the teaching fraternity hope that all is not lost for the upcoming generation. At the Garvey Maceo Technical High School in Ochirea, St. Anne, 5th former Odale Balford has impressed the administrators who believe he is destined for greatness. Kadia Cunningham is Odale's science teacher.
Odale is a very brilliant young man. However, he has a unique challenge, especially based on the environment that he's in. There's influence. So for him, it's a constant battle between performance as well as his environment.
However, with the assistance of his teachers and a determined mindset, Odale was able to channel that energy positively. Along with his peers, he developed a coaching app that athletes and trainers can use to monitor performance.
The vest contains sensors that will help the athlete within the position to tell whether he's in the correct form or not. The code, we wrote it on a platform, and that platform sends information to the sensors to tell if the correct position is being displayed or not.
It's an idea he came up with when he realized
our school and other schools across the country does not have the proper training equipment or the right facilities to help train them efficiently. So we try to came up with a solution for that problem.
For Odale, failure is linked to bad behavior.
I'm positively sure that if you stop, take a time out, look into yourself, and actually try to do something good, it will happen. If you continue to think negative things will happen. Your environment doesn't dictate who you will become.
Sometimes all they need is that push. They need somebody to believe in them, and they need somebody to speak to.
Students like Odale are students who we should afford a bigger platform to be able to talk about what's really happening in schools and why students seem to be making the bad choices that some of them are making. But at the same time, he also epitomizes and exemplifies a young Jamaican male who can have swag, who understands how to fit into so many sections of society and still is able to do extremely well.
And now that his focus has shifted, he's encouraging peers who are venturing down the wrong path to entertain positivity.
You have to believe in yourself. I do believe in myself, and I know I have potential for greatness. In the future, I want to be my own business owner, and I hope to manifest riches.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.